So, started sanding this. One of the things I failed to mention in the last videos are going to be doing a non-skid over as well. So, as I am fairing out, smoothing this non-skid all down, I'm sanding the pairs down at the same time. It's rather slow going, honestly. This I'm using 60 grit paper, and it's eating through slowly but surely. I probably could have used a lighter fairing, but that's right, this will hold really well, and I won't have to worry about cracks later and that kind of thing. I might actually take a break from sanding for a little bit and go ahead and pull these bunks out, just to get a change of pace and put some time into demo, basically. Kind of go from there. I'm about to have some lunch. These guys picked me up with lunch, which is cool. But ultimately my goal by the end of the day is to have this entire deck and cabin top faired out so the non-skid is smooth, and then I can start hand sanding areas that I can't get to with the machine. You know what I mean? That kind of thing. So that is update number 3, I believe.